Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily English World. My name is Maya.
And my name is Stark. Thank you for joining us today.
In today's episode, we are going to learn something very important. We are going to learn how to talk about yourself in English.
Yes, this is one of the first skills in any language. When you meet new people, make friends, join a class, go to work, or have a conversation, you need to introduce yourself.
Today we will teach you how to talk about your name, your age, the place you come from, your job or studies, your hobbies, your family, and your daily routine.
We will speak slowly. We will repeat important sentences. You can practice with us.
If you like this lesson, please follow our channel Daily English World and share this episode with your friends.
Are you ready?
Let's begin. First, let's talk about your name. When someone asks, "What is your name?" you can answer, "My name is."
You can also say, I am.
For example, "My name is Maya."
And I say, I am Stark.
Now, your turn. Say, "My name is..."
Good. Now say, I am.
Very good. Let's continue.
Next, we talk about age. To say your age, use this sentence. I am years old.
For example, "I am 21 years old."
I am 24 years old.
Now you try. Say, "I am years old."
Great job.
Now let's talk about where you are from. When someone asks, "Where are you from?" you can answer, "I am from."
For example, I am from Sri Lanka.
"I am from India."
I am from Malaysia.
"I am from Bangladesh." Now you try. Say, "I am from..."
Excellent.
Now let's talk about what you do. Are you a student? Do you work? You can say, "I am a student," or "I work as a teacher," or "I work in a shop."
If your job is not specific, you can say, I work, or I am looking for work.
Let's practice. Say, "I am a student." Say, "I work in an office." Say, "I work at a restaurant."
Now you say your job. I work is divided by I am a.
Very good.
Now, hobbies. Hobbies are the things you like to do in your free time. To talk about hobbies, we say, I like to, or I enjoy.
Examples. "I like to read books." "I like to play football." "I enjoy cooking." "I enjoy listening to music."
Repeat after me. I like to read books. I like to play games. I enjoy music.
Now tell us your hobby. Say, "I like to glon."
Great work.
Now let's talk about family. You can say, "I live with my family," or "I live alone," or "I live with my parents."
To talk about brothers and sisters, say, I have one brother, or I have two sisters.
Repeat. "I live with my family."
I have one brother,
Now your turn. Say, "I live with..."
and I have.
Very nice.
Now we will talk about your daily routine. These are things you do every day.
For example, "I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school or work. I study English. I watch TV. I go to sleep."
Let's say it slowly, and you repeat.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work or school.
I study English.
I go to sleep.
Now you try. Describe your day.
Now we will say a full self-introduction. Listen carefully.
Hello. My name is Stark. I am 24 years old. I am from India. I work in an office. I like to watch movies and read books. I live with my family. Every day, I wake up at 7, go to work, study English, and sleep at 11. Thank you.
Now we will help you speak your own introduction. Repeat each line after we say it.
My name is.
I am years old.
I am from.
I work as divided by I am, a divided by I study.
I like to.
I live with,
Every day. I.
very good. You have now learned how to talk about yourself in English.
Name. My name is.
Age. I am years old.
Country. I am from.
Job or study. I work as M.A.
Hobbies. I like to.
family. I live with.
Daily routine. Every day. I.
Thank you for learning with us today. We are happy and proud of your effort.
Practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes is enough.
This is Daily English World. Please follow and share this episode with your friends.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.